Drafting has been an important aspect of engineering design for virtually its entire history. Today, CAD has allowed us, engineers, to spend less time refining the 2D detailed drawing, but it has not eliminated the use of these drawings in the industry. In iMold, we can easily create both part drawings and assembly drawings, automatically. On the iMold Command Manager, select iMold Drawing, click Core Cavity View. On the first tab, define the components, whether they should appear on the movable half or fixed half. Click Next arrow button to move to the next tab. Next tab lets you select the paper sizes, drawing scale, and the type of projection. Click the arrow button to move to the next tab. Here, you can define the entities such as section view, auto dimension, auto ballooning, and to insert the bill of materials into the drawing automatically. While the views are being generated dynamically, you can hit the back button at any time to go back to make changes. Click OK when done.